This training video is to direct you to the alternative solutions to access similar data that was previously found in the 1005 Emall Setup Report. This training will cover read-only, user management and data management access, where you will not be able to conduct system changes, but you will be able to access, view, and download data. The video will focus on navigation so that you can get to the information in the new EVA platform to replace the previously available reports. Reports will be coming at a later date and training will be provided at that time. The focus of today's training is going to all be under the Manage menu item, which you can find along the top toolbar. And all of the different menu items that we'll take a look at today will be under this menu. If you're looking for user information, you can find it under the Users menu item to get to the user's search screen. However, we will not be covering this menu item in this training because there is a training video that is devoted to this menu item, so please refer to that video for user information. Let's take a look at addresses. All addresses are listed by organization. Remember, when you're viewing any search grid screen in the new EVA platform, you will have the same ability to sort, filter, and refine your data using the filters along the top of the screen, or by using additional filters that can be found under this funnel symbol on the top left of every search grid page. Clicking on the funnel symbol will open up a menu with additional filter items, and you can also choose to select the black pin in order to pin the menu open, or you may choose to close it. And remember, at the bottom right-hand corner of any search screen, you will find a small cog or gear symbol. This is where you will find the menu to customize and export your search grid, and this is on any search grid page in the new EVA platform. Clicking on this little cog is going to open up a menu item with a variety of grid settings. You can choose to freeze your grid header. You can select how many rows are visible on your grid page. And then you will see a list of all of the columns or fields that are available on the search grid, and you can choose to toggle them on or off by selecting the toggles next to each field. You can also choose to hover over each field, and you can drop and drag it into a different location so you can customize the view of your report. Down at the bottom is the option to export your customized search screen into an Excel format, and you can also choose to reset your page to default parameters. Now remember, in the upper left of every corner is a small star, which will allow you to save your customizations to your favorites. And you can easily access your customized page from your favorites menu. Let's take a look at approval rules, again found under the Manage menu item. Click on Approval Rules. And here you will find a list of all the approval rules set for your organization. Make sure that you are searching by your client or site, formerly called BSO, because all approval rules are set at the client or site level. You can make a note that all of your approval rules are listed here in the second to last column. And we are also working on an additional customization that will allow us to filter and identify empty approval rules. The remaining items we'll take a look at are used for requisition fields and field data that you were formerly able to view on the 1005 report. These requisition fields are the header field 1, header field 2, chart of account data, and maintaining your chart of account elements. These menu items allow you to view enabled requisition fields if they are enabled for your entity. Under header field 1 and header field 2, these are only used for a very small group of entities. If you do not see information here, your entity may not make use of these fields. Let's take a look at chart of account data. These are requisition fields that are enabled for your organization. You'll be able to view any chart of account elements that are enabled on this screen. For example, if you search by your organization, you'll be able to view any chart of account elements that are enabled for your organization. Under Maintain COA Elements, the data for each of your requisition fields that is available for buyers to select on a requisition can be viewed here. However, you must click on each chart of account elements to view the data associated with each. For example, if you're interested in looking at cost center data, you'll need to click on Cost Center, and that will bring up the screen where you can view and search your cost center data. Again, you can use the cog symbol in the bottom right corner to customize and download this information. If you need to see a list of your site data or your BSO data, please reach out to your account executive. Once this information is made available to field users, we will hold a separate training.